Welcome to this quick tutorial on changing the language on TikTok. If you're looking to switch to a different language for a more personalized experience, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a bit until you find the Language option and tap on it. Then choose App Language. You'll now see a list of available languages. Simply scroll through the options, tap on the language you prefer, and hit Done to apply the change. And that's it! You've successfully changed the language on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.